All right, guys, y'all always are asking me for deals, advice. This is a 32-inch gate mower, right? Slant nose deck. This is 8-gauge deck, Kawasaki FS motor. This has Parker HTEs, which are very, very high-end. They're on the high-end Spartans and Grasshopper. Parkers are amazing, smooth drive systems. Guys, I'm telling y'all, this is one of the smoothest driving little zero turns or stand-ons I've ever been on. I put their bagger system on here. This mower, dude, this is like $63.50 for this mower with the bagger system. $63.50. If you don't need the bagger, it's $6 grand, and I have them both sitting here. 32-inch Worldlawn 0 for 48 months available. 2.9 for 60 months available if you need it. Y'all come get it. These just came off the truck. 623 North, the Main.